Hello guys, welcome to eBay Info. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit and create your videos using KineMaster. KineMaster is one of the powerful video editors that you can use to create and edit your videos. Even if you have zero knowledge about video editing or about KineMaster, you'll be able to create exciting videos that you can post on your YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.
You're welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with KineMaster. When you download your KineMaster from Google Play Store and you launch, this is the first interface that you first get before you start your project. You can see in this interface we have my projects. These are the numbers of projects I've created. Now to start with your own project, you have to click on create new. Now if you click on create new, then you have aspect ratio. This will show you how your video will look at the screen. Now you can see you have different types of screen. You have 9:16, 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, 4:5, 2, 3. So we have all of that. But for you to be for your videos to be fit to the screen, you have to click on 16:9. Then click on 16:9, which is what we'll be using for this tutorial. Then you click next. Now after clicking next, now we have media browser, which contains all the folders you have in your phone that contain video and pictures. You can see all of that. Now if I want to start with this project, how we have to go to, it's not always in every case, but any project I want to do, I usually start with image asset. Now let me click image asset. Image assets consist of many color board that you can start your project with, and even you can use it even in your project. Now let me start with white color board. You can see you have it now on your playhead. Now you can click on exit here or close. Now you can see this is what you first get. If you choose a color board, now you want to add some videos and pictures into our video. Now you click on media. Now in this media, this is where all the videos and pictures you have on your phone. In this video, I have some downloaded videos that I would like to use. Now let me click on this. You can see immediately you click on it, immediately it brings it down to the playhead that you can play around with, that you can work with. Now let me click close. Now if you then I will move my playhead to the right left of my video. Then I'll click play. Now if I click play, see, then the video will start playing. As you can see, that's how your video will be playing, and you can add as many as videos and pictures that you like, that you want to use for your project. Now let me pause. Now let me add another video. Let me go to download. Let me add another video. Okay, let me add this video. Okay, you can see the video has been added. Now let me come back. Then let me click exit there. Then let me play. And you can move you can move your playhead from right to the left. Now let me play. As you can see, the video you have created a new video for yourself. Now you can export it. Now to export your video to your phone, you can quickly click on this arrow button. As you can see, this is the types of resolution. We have 1080 pixel, then we have 720, we have 540, we have them like that, we have 480, and it depends on the quality you have for your project. You click on save as video, then your video will start exporting. Then you can kindly go back into your video player, any video like VLC or MS Player, then you will see there, you see that KineMaster. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit our first video. I want to edit this very video. On this clip you are seeing there are many things we can perform on it. The first thing is speed. We can change the speed. We can maybe faster or slower than before. To change the speed, we click on the speed. Make the speed to be faster than before. Than the original video, or slower than the original video. Now, if we click on 1.5, you can see the more we are reducing it, the size of for our video is decreasing also. Now if we play it, this is what we see. Let's play it. We'll see it will be very, very, very fast than the original video. So that is that. Undo. And other thing we can also do on video is reverse. And I've done this in many of my videos that I used to reverse a video from the way the video was before. Maybe someone is going forward, you can reverse it. At least the meaning of reverse, how to reverse a video. At least I'm doing this now. So this will automatically reverse the kind of the video you had before. It's a very, very perfect wonderful. That's reverse this video. Now let's see what happens. Do you see now? So it actually reversed the video. So that is all about that. Now color filters. We can add colors. Basic code. We can add code. How do we want to look like? So we can adjust. So if the video is not in it doesn't have a good color, we can add that to it. So that is all about that. I won't talk much about that because you can actually choose whatever colors, the types of image you want for your video. Then that's all about that. Now, what is our other thing that we'll talk about is adjustment. Adjustment. So you adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, vibrance, temperature, highlights. All about that. You can reduce, the brightness, and you can decide to increase the brightness. So that is all adjustment. If things we can do, we can clip graphics. I have used this in some of my videos. Now let me do with travel and event and activity. In this one, in your video, as your video is playing, you want to have something like Marquee. If you are in programming language or something like that, in Marquee, or you want like watermark as going about and coming in maybe at the end of the video or before the video. Now let me choose travel accent. Let's see what happens. You see, so it just be going and coming throughout the video. So that is what you see. Then I can decide to choose another one. This one where you add text. Okay, let me add something. Let me add even. Let me add even. So you see what happened. See even. Do you see? So that is you can play around. You can play around with that. It's a very, very good one. You can you have all of it like that. Clip graphics that you can add, so you can play around with it anyhow you want your a video to look like. Now we have volume envelope. I think in a later part of this video I discussed that when we're talking about audio. So you probably still know how to use volume envelope. Yeah, that's all about that. And equalize. You can equalize different types of sounds. How do you want to actually want it to look like? I know when I'm talking about audio, we will actually talk about that. In the voice changer, I talk about in a later part of this video. You're going to come across that. Extract the video. How to extract audio rather. You want to extract the audio that is in this video. You can. Okay, let's do that. Let's extract audio. You can see it brings out the audio, and it separates the audio from the video, which you can play. You can add it to or other side of your video. This happens in some movie. You see like voiceover, something like that, or you want to extract some audio and merge it to another video. So you can achieve this also in KineMaster. That is all about editing your video. Thanks for watching. See you in another tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Good day. Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to add transition between two videos. What is transition? Transition simply means you want to have a good flow. You want to have a good transition between one video and the other. Now, to add transition to this video, now you click where the plus sign is. You can see in KineMaster we have a lot of transition effect. Like, let me show this one: travel and activity. If you click, then click on travel and then you okay. Now let me come back. Then I click play. You see what happens. You can see the transition. Very smooth. You can edit your transition effect. We have a lot of transition effect in KineMaster. This one we have text. Then we have sentimental. Okay, let me see the sentimental, and let you see how it looks like. Do you see the transition between this color board and this video? Then we have presentation. Do you see this is how it looks like when you play your video? Then next we blocking. See, that's how it looks like. It's a very good one. You can choose anyone you like. We have powerful. Can you see? This is how it look like. Then we have font transition. This is how it look like. So you can decide to choose whatever transition effect you want for your video. You can see classic transition. You can decide to choose this. And then okay. Then if you play, then this is what you get. Very, very good. Now let's add transition effect between these two videos. Then you click the plus sign. Okay, let's look for a good transition effect that we can use. Okay, let me use this crossfade. Now, another thing is that you can adjust the rate at which your one video transitions to another video. You can decide to use 2 seconds. This million seconds. You can use 2.5 seconds, and like that. So let me use 2 seconds. Now let me click OK. Now let me click and see the audio. Now let's see the transition effect. Let's play. Let's see how it works. See the kind of smooth. You see, very, very perfect. Now I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add audio to your video. Before I move to that, let me please show you how to remove audio from a video file you added to your project. Now, here, okay, let me play this. Let me play this. In this video, it actually came with audio. Okay, let me play it. Do you see? Now to remove the audio, what you actually do? Click on the video, then click on, you can see that one is the volume. The volume is 100%, which is normal audio that comes with the video. Now, to reduce, you can reduce the volume. It depends on how you want it, or you can mute the video, so that, and you can do all these remaining stuffs on the media. There's a mixer. You can perform whatever you want to perform. You can play around with it. That's all about that. Now, let me play now to see what happens. You can see now as we play, no audio again. So that's it. Now I want to add an audio to this video. Now you click on audio, then we have a lot of audio browser. Then you can click on songs. These are the songs you have on your phone. Now, but if you can't find your song here, or you want to quickly search for wherever your song is, then you go to folder. In folder, you have audio, like the songs I want to use in the tutorial is in my video to audio. So it allows me to quickly locate where my song is. Now I will use this first one, which is YouTube music. To add it, click on the plus sign. We add it to automatically add to your video. Now let me play. See what's happening. Let's see the flow. So there are many things we can perform on a video file, like on our audio. Like this one, I can decide to replace this. You can replace this audio with another audio. The video you are adding, if it is 5 minutes, a 5-minute video, and what you have, the time frame of the video you want to use is 4 minutes. Immediately you add it to immediately you replace it, it will be called the same to the 4 minutes that it has before. So that is all about that. Now and there are many things you can perform on this audio file. But first thing, you can reduce or add to the volume and do all those things there. Then you can also reverb. You can also reverb the song. That means you can choose the bedroom, the arena, cathedral. The song will actually sound like the person that is in the bedroom. Okay, let me click on the one in the cathedral. Let me play and see how it looks like. So there are many other things you can add. You can do on your audio. You can use voice changer, alien, chipmunk, chorus, confusion. Let me choose chorus and you'll see what happens. Let's use confusion. Let me go back to normal. We have many things you can do, and you can play around it. Then you also have split, trim and split. You can decide to cut. You can trim to the right, trim to the left, and all like that. Like this is where our audio stopped, and to trim this one, that means we are going to trim to the right of playhead. Now let's try that. Let's click the one in the middle. Let's click it. Can you see? So it's done that. So that's all about trim and split on our file. You can see split at the playhead. Split at it, you actually cut it into two. Let's see what happens if you split at the playhead. Do you see? This part. We have two parts already. One. It won't remove any. It will just split it into two. So that is what happens. Now let me undo. Now what are the other things we can do on our audio? Okay, I was saying something about replace the other time. Like if I want to replace this audio with another audio, you can see it has this audio has moved to like 42 seconds. Now let me add an audio of like 4 to 5 minutes, and you see what happens. I will just click replace. Now what I have done, I go to my folder. After I go to my folder, then I will go to welcome or video to audio. You can see this audio is 4:15 minutes, and you can see when I trimmed that audio, it is now 42 seconds. Now let me replace it. Do you see? No, it will adjust that audio to 42 seconds, so it won't exceed. So that's one thing that is very good about KineMaster in the audio aspect. You don't need to delete and add another one. All what you just need is just to replace it with another audio. And there are many functions you can do. You can do with audio, or this hip hop. This one is equalizer. You want to make it like jazz. You want to make it like bass reducer. You want to make it natural. So all sorts of that. So there's all the things you can do. Now the last things I will show you in this audio section is volume envelope. Volume envelope. How does this one work? Is like you want to control the pitch of your audio. You want to control the pitch. Now look at what happened. Now if I play this, it's already at the beginning. Now if I check this plus sign, then I will now move my audio. I will move it to wherever I want. I want the pitch either to low or to high. So I will now let's see what happens. If I will now reduce, let me reduce this volume is before it is 100%. Let me reduce it to 60. Let me use it to 39%, and let me also move. Then let me increase it to 100%. Okay, let me use it to like 180%, 18%, and let me also shift it, and let me also reduce it to 16%. So let me click OK. Now what happens if I done this? Let's see what happens. So that is one that thing you can do on your audio, especially if you're working on a project like a movie or skits or something like that. So you can adjust the volume, you can adjust the pitch. So with that, so you don't need to cut and reduce the volume. So up with that, it will help you to achieve reducing the volume and increasing the volume. That is all about that about audio. That's all about how to add audio to your video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add layers to your video. One thing about layer is that if you want to create a very top-notch video in KineMaster, you must know how to play around. How to use your layer very well. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add layer to your video. Now you can see at the left corner of your title, then you click on layer, and we probably have like 6 types of layers we can add to our video. First one is media, second one is effect, second one is sticker, text, and handwriting. Now if it's layer, click layer, media. Media, you can add either picture or video, probably anyone you want. You can add it to your video. Now let me add this one to video. You can see, and it immediately will create a layer. Yes, and in this layer you can reduce the size. You can anyhow you want it, and this one means rotate. You can rotate. You can rotate it how you want it, and you can shift it from to the right, to the left, to wherever you want it to be. On the screen, your video. So you can also play around with it, and also we can. And if you want to delete, you can actually click delete. Left hand side, you can actually click delete. What other things you can? Let me click delete this. Then you can add any layer. It might be video, it might be pictures, it might be text, anyhow you want. Now you can see another one is effect. You can add effects to let me create a Gaussian. We have Gaussian blur and mosaic. But basic effect. Okay, let me add this Gaussian blur. Let me click OK. Then you see. Then if you play, you see. Then the way it will be blur. So you want to add blur, like the one you see in some videos that they make some part of videos to be blur. So here's the Gaussian blur, and you can even add this effect to your entire video. You can see. Let me start. Let me play that again. You can see the entire video is blur. Then after that, and then you see. So it depends on how do you want to create your video. Then also let me delete that. And also you can add. We also have sticker in your layers. We have stickers. These are the stickers. You know what stickers mean. So you can add anyone you wish to add to your video. You can see this is a sticker. You can increase it. You can increase. Then you can rotate and whatever, and you can move it to wherever you want it to be in your video. So that is that. And what other layer we also have? We also have text. You can add text to your video or whatever you want to write, like this. This is my first video. Like this is my first video. Okay, see. Now this is my first video. So and you can shift it, you can increase, you can shift it whatever how you want it, wherever you want it to be in your video. You can see it might be anywhere in your video. So that's all about that. Now then let me delete. Then the last one is handwriting layer. So this handwriting, if you click this, then you can see if is it box, is it circle, is it square. So whatever anything you want to draw, you can easily click. Okay, let me click this this arrow. You can see you can click this arrow. Do you see it? Whatever what you want to use it for in your video, you can easily add it. And I can also add another one. This, especially if you want to create animation, you need to know how to use this handwriting. So that is all about that, and I can decide to delete it. So that's all about layer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You are welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to animate your layers. Now let's click let's click on our layers. Click on the layer. Then if you click on media, let's add a media file. Let me add a media file. Okay, my thumbnails. I think I have some video. I have some pictures there. Okay, let me add this. Now this is a layer. Now I've added this layer to my video. I will play. Now I want to animate this layer. In Pixel Lab we have 3 types of animation that we can have. We have in animation, then we also have overall animation, then we also have out animation. In animation is you want to animate as you don't want the layers you are adding to just come like that. You just we want you want some kind of flows that will usher it in. So that's all we call in animation. Then what is overall animation? Overall animation, it works like in our PowerPoint. PowerPoint call it emphasis, that you want to lay an emphasis on a particular either subject or object. So that's called overall animation. You want the animation to be continuous. Then we also have the third one, which is out animation. After your that's coming, then when that object want to vanish from your screen, you don't want it to just vanish like that. You want to create some flows that it will make it looks good when the layers you have added and it's about to leave the screen. Let us add. First one, let's work with in animation. Now we want to in animation with this one. Now let's click on in animation. In animation we have a lot of animation. We have fade, we have pop, we have slide right, we have slide left, slide up. We have all of it like that. Now let me add fade. Let me have fade. Now let me play in animation. Now let me play. Do you see that it just flow? It doesn't just come, that's kind of flow. It's kind of flow. You see, that's how it will enter your screen. Then also we have a lot like that, and you can adjust the time. The rate at which the animation is coming in, because we have that from 1 second, 0.5 seconds, and we have 2 seconds. Okay, let's add 2 seconds and let's see what happens. Now let's click play. Do you see like that? Then it will show. So it's all about that. Then we have a lot of you have slide up. So that's how it will come in. Then we have slide up. See, that's how your layer will come in. Then you see. So you can have anyone you want, anyhow how you want it. You can play around with all the in animation that we have. You can also have a wipe up. Do you see? So that is all about that. Okay, let's let that now we want to work with overall animation. I told you the overall animation. It's like emphasis. Like it won't stop. It will be continuous until the end of the video or the pictures or the entire clips. Now you had pause. See pause. You can see that's how it will be doing. But it will be continuous, no matter where your playhead is on that particular object. So that is all about. We have dicta. Do you see? We have blink show. So you see, that's how it will be blinking throughout. In as much your playhead is on that particular object. Now, having had that, now let's add our out animation. I told you if at the end of the picture you had it, so you don't want it to be just vanish like that. You want a kind of flow that will allow what you have added to leave the screen. Now let's have out animation. You see, okay. Now let me play again. See what happens. Let me click. Now let's start. Okay. Come in like that, then it started blinking. When you want to go, then it just slide up like that. And there is another tool that you can use for your animation. Let me quickly show you. Let me increase the duration of this of the picture. Now I will click on this picture. This is the tool. By your left side, this is the tool. It's part of what you can use for your animation. You can use the animation. Now it depends on. I want to just see the way I will demonstrate this. Let me shift this to to okay, let me leave it here. Then I will shift my playhead to a little bit. Now I will now shift these pictures to this corner. You see how it happens. Then I will also shift this. I will also shift my playhead small. I will shift my playhead. Then I will also bring it here. You see how it. I just want you to see how it works. Then I will also shift my playhead. I will also shift it. Then I will now bring it here, down here. Now if I play this, you see what happens. Now let me play. Okay, do you see how it? Yeah, there's part of tools that you can use to animate your object. Now I might want to do some kind. I might want to edit this animation. So if you want to edit, just go back to the picture, to that tools. You can see, just put your playhead on that animation, where you have the plus sign. So if I want to remove here, if I want to remove the animation that I have here, where there is a red spot, I'll just click minus. Can you see it? It has been removed. Then I will place my playhead on the second one. Then I will remove it. I will click minus. But if I want to add, I put plus. Like if I want this to come here, I will put it there. Automatically it generates. It add it to itself. Now if I want to remove it, I will click minus. Do you see what happened now? I will also come here. I want to perform another animation. Another thing you can perform. I'm using this tool, so I will also erase this. Now look, see what I want to do. Here I want to make this one small. See, if I want to do some kind of like boomerang. Now I will shift this in here. So see what I will do. I will just increase it. Let me just increase it like that. Let me increase it. See what happens. Now I will so see. I will click OK. Now let's see what happened. Do you see? See, wonderful. So that is another tool we can use for animation. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to manipulate a text layer. Now, let's add a layer. Let me add a text. Top up then. Now this is a layer, Eben Tech Info. Now we want to see all what we can perform on this Eben Tech Info. Now I've told you now, one thing we can change the font. We have Latin font, we have different types of font of font in the KineMaster that is free, that we can use. I can use Signet. Then after you choose, then you click OK. As you can see, this is what you get. Let me reduce the size. Now you can change the color to whatever color you want. You can change it to white, any color you wish to change it. I will just leave it like that, but you can change it to whatever color that you want. And also we can I've discussed about animation. We can, in animation, I decided to use fade. Let me increase it to to 1.5 seconds. So we can choose that whatever animation we want to use. Now you can use overall animation, then you can use out animation, and what I've discussed about that. Now we can opacity, that you don't want it to be hard, something like that. So you can change it, to become transparent. So that's all about opacity. It's all about that. Now also, what's that thing you can do? I've discussed about rotate and mirroring. So I've discussed about that, so I won't go to that again. Now blending. Let me talk about blending. Blending. Now we have overlay. So we have multiply. You can see. So let's multiply. To multiply it. Then the screen. So see the screen. We have soft light. Then we have hard light. We have lighting. So it depends on how we want our text to how you want the text to look like in the video. So it depends. So let me leave it like that. So we have darken. We have I will leave it to be normal. Now, one thing we can also do is text option. So we have text option like center, align right, align left. So all of that you can underline. You can decide to put underline. So you can. So whatever things you want to do with the text, so you can do it that. So you can highlight right, you can highlight left, especially if you have like 50 words, or something like that. Then you have a character, so you can so this one deal with the words, like spacing. So this is how this one works. Then you can use the line. So this one works also if you have numerous characters. So that's all about that. Now I will go back. Then text outline. The outlines of our text. If you want to add another color, so if I choose this one, you can see the color that you see is black. So you can decide to choose another color. Let me choose green. So can you see? So you have green at the outline of our text. Then you can increase the weight of the color, of the outline color. You can increase the weight, then you can reduce it. So it depends on how you want it to look like. So that is all about. Okay, let me leave it like this. Now also, then we also have shadow. Do you want to create shadow for your image, for the text? Then you enable the shadow. So you can choose. Let me choose black so that it can be seen very well. So let me choose black. Okay. So you can the shadow. You can see. You see the shadow. So it depends on is the shadow. Then the angle you want the shadow to come. This one is this one is coming to angle 90. So like that. So that is all about shadow. Then you have the speed to spread. So how do you want it to spread? So you see. So you can also work with that with your text. You can also use that for your text. So you can see, it's adding color to the text. Then you also have the size of the shadow. So that's all about it. That's all about how to create shadow and the effect you can add to the shadow. And also then we have glow. You can add glow to your text. You can make it to glow. So you see. So this is the glow color. Can you see it show? Then you can also spread. Do you see how it looks like? Now you are having like 3 different colors in a text. So you can also add the size. The size of the glow. So you can also do that and the spread. So let me leave it like that. And we can also give it a background color. All this text, we can also give it a background color. Now let's give this a background color. Now so the color we have before is transparent. Okay, let us add white. Do you see? It gives a background color. So that's all about that. And we have full width background. I mean, if you want the background to spread across the screen, you can also add it. Do you see? It's spread across. So that is all about background color. So that is all about that. This is how it works, and and we can add as many layers into in our video. So we can add, and we can decide to add another layer. Let's say Ben. Let me just write Ben. Do you see? You can decide to write as many layers that we want. So as many layers. You can add 50 layers, 20 layers, 100 layers, all of that, and you can decide to shift it to either anywhere you want it to be in our video. So that's all about, I mean, manipulating text in our video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in our next tutorial. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to crop a layer, either a video or a picture. Click on the layer. Let me increase this layer. Now go to crop at this right hand side. So let me click on crop. Now you can crop this picture you're seeing here. You can crop it anyhow you want it. Crop it like that. Click OK. This is how it will look like. If you click it, this is how it will look like. But let me shift it back. So, and one thing we can also do is that we can also add a mask. What is a mask? Let me click on mask. Just check mask. This picture you are seeing, we can give it a type of shape. I mean, we want to see in on the screen. Like if you choose circle, you can see it in a circle shape. And also you can choose anyone you want. You can see choose the love sign star. This how it look like. If you click OK, this is what we see. This is what we see. See, we always see star. So that is how how to crop our layer. So thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you. Bye. You're welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut, mirroring, and rotate a video. Now, to rotate a video, you can see in this second video, in that second video clips we have, you can see it doesn't full the screen. Now we can make it full the screen. Now you click on the video. Now and then you move up. Then you can see rotate and mirroring. Here you click the mirroring effect. Click the mirroring effect. How do you see it turns to the other side? Then you see. Then we can also rotate. You want to make it to rotate. You can rotate. You see how it looks like. This it's all about rotating and mirroring. Also, okay, let me leave it like that. Now to cut a video. Now to cut, you can see this look like a scissors. Now you click on it. You can see trim to the left if you want to cut it to the left. Then trim to the right of playhead. You want to cut it to the right. Then split at the playhead. So okay, let me really show you the first one, which is trim to the right of playhead. We'll see what happens. You see it cuts from the right. It cuts your video from the right. And if you want to undo, you can see something like undo button here. You can easily click on it, and you see it will take you back to where you were before. Now I'll show you split at the playhead. Let's click. Let's see what happened. If I click on playhead, you can see it split it to two. That means you don't lose the either parts of the clip. So, and you can add transition transition effect in between. So it depends on what you want to do. The last part, split and insert freeze frame. If I click on split and playhead, or it will create the picture of where you split it. It will create it there. So that is all about trimming and cutting. That's how it is. And also you can play, then it doesn't change anything. As you can see it on display. When it gets to the one, you can see it's a picture. It's normal in video. So it depends on how you want your video to look like. So that's how. Thank you for watching this video. See you at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to split your screen to two. Means you can have two videos at the same time playing on your screen. How are we going to achieve that? To do this, I will use my color board to achieve this. Now let me click on my color board. Let me shift it like that. Now on this here, now I will add two layers with different videos that will be playing side by side. How do I achieve that? Let me go to my layer, then I'll go to media. And then media, and then I'm going to download the video we already have before, so I'll just add it. So this is one video. Let me take this video to one side of the screen. How do I achieve that? Then I will click on split screen. Then I can add it to the left side or the right side, wherever I want to add it to. So I can just, okay, let me leave it at the left side. Then I'll click OK. Now let me add another layer, another video. Let me click on download. Then let me put this. Now let me shift this to be at the same place. Now I will cut this. I've probably taught you how to cut a video, how to cut some part of the video, how to trim. Then I'll trim to the right side. Now in this video, now click OK. Now I'll click on this video because I want it to be at the right side of the screen. So and I'll click, and then I'll go to split screen also. Then I will take it to the right. Now if I want to play now, see what happens. Can you see now the two videos playing at the same time without interrupting one another? So that's how you can split your screen. If you have 3 videos, you can see that in most of broadcasts. You see like 3-4 videos playing at the same time. So that is how we can achieve this using KineMaster. See you at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove background from your video using Chroma Key. So let's see how it works. Now let's go to our layer. Let's move our playhead here. So let me move my media. I have the video downloaded on my download folder. Now this is what we'll be using. Many of us we have seen in most of YouTube videos how to add subscribe button. So then this is what we'll be using for this tutorial. So as you can see now, we want to remove the green screen from this subscribe button. So if you play this is if you play this. So this is what we see. Do you see there is green effect? So to separate, we want to remove the green picture of this video. What now we do? Now we will click on this video. Then we go to Chroma Key. It's a function built in inside KineMaster. You see, it erased the green screen automatically. It's a very good one. Now you can now move this to wherever you want it to be in your video. And things you also the other things you can do is that if you did not get a perfect job after you've increased, maybe you are still seeing some grain, or you are still seeing some other effect that you don't want to see, that you can still adjust. You can still adjust it. The first one after this enable, the first one is deal with the objects in your video, while the other one it deals with the background, which is the green. So it doesn't deal with the background. If you want to, it doesn't deal with the background. While this one content, you see. So until you get you see a perfect video. So until you know now, let me click OK. Now let's play. You see, it's different from what we have seen before. Do you see? You see. So do you see that? So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. I will discuss about the handwriting part of the layer. Now in handwriting, let's get to how we can deal with handwriting in KineMaster. Then let's click on layer. Then let us click on handwriting. Now in handwriting we see edit, we have menu, we have edit. Then the first part which you are seeing, this box is this is where you find your different shapes. You have shape, different shape that you want to use. You can see we have different shapes. We have circle, we have arrow, we have all of them like that. Then the second part is it's colors. You want to color your handwriting. Okay, let me quickly draw one of the shapes, and you should see how it works. Now in this box, let's start with this cycle. Okay, now then I will choose color. Which kind of color? Let me put red. Then I will click OK. Now let me draw. So just go to the screen, and you can see there's the last button that you can see. This is where you see the thickness of of your drawing. To draw, you just come and draw like the way you use pencil, like use your hand as a pencil to draw. So that's how it works. Then we have something here, the one that is at the left side here. So you can use it to erase what you have drawn, and I can draw again. And there is one particular tool say that's here. I can see what I click here is where you want to erase. You want to erase some parts of what you have drawn, so you can quickly erase whatever you want. And it has thickness. You can click the thickness of our eraser. How thick do you want it to look like? So I can decide to click this one. So do you see the different, or the tiny one? I can choose the tiny one. So wherever you want it. So that's how it will be. Then the shape also, if we click the menu, we can do many things on it, like in animation, like out animation, overall animation, opacity, like trims, rotate, blending. How do you like if you add in animation? As you see the arrow, the first one here means in animation. We are draw by stroke. Do you see how so do you see how? So as I'm saying, if you are dealing with the handwriting, is very good when you want to use to animate the right part is a eraser, while the other part is drawing. Then also here is the thickness of your drawing. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more exciting tutorials and videos. Welcome guys. In this video I'll be showing you how we can finish our project. After we have created our videos, all this contains all the features of what we've discussed and what we've used in this tutorial so far. Now we have a video here. Now let's assume that this is the video that we have created. We'll be using this button. Now you can see this way, we call it project settings. How do we want to set our project? The first one is auto master volume. Do you want to use automatic master volume? You check it if that's what you want to use. It's the audio you've added, you want it to fade in. So if you want to add it same, then you easily click share. You can adjust the seconds of the fading of the video, of the audio, and even the video. If you want to adjust, now you come to this is audio, so you adjust the fading in of the sound into the video you have created. Now let's adjust this sound. So if we leave it here. Now also we can, this is the fading, and then the fade out. So we can also adjust the fade out of the audio we have added. You can also add it is in seconds. We have 1.75 seconds, 1.550 seconds. So it depends on the seconds we want for this project. Now I also come to the video, the entire video now. So I want to add the video fade in and how, although it's always in black. It's on, the video is always black. The fade in, you come to black. The fade out, you also fade out with black. So if you want to add video fading to the start of the project, so you can add it and you can adjust, and you can adjust the rate by which this video is fading. Then also we can also adjust the fade out. Now we also have editing. So photo display mode. Do you want it to fit to the screen, fit in screen or full screen? Or if you click on full screen, but we leave it fit in screen. So I think that's the best one. And then transition duration, between each video you've added, you have some kind of transition effect between maybe you have added like 5 to 6 videos, and you have added transition effect. Now if you want this transition effect to be the same minutes, you don't want one to be 1.5 seconds and that one to be 2 seconds, or that one to be 2.5 seconds, but you just want to use the same duration for each transition. Now you can easily add it here. So this is how it works. Now this one is 1.5 seconds. Now I can add, let me just leave it, because I like 2 seconds, because it's the kind of flows I love, the kind of flows that do happens in 2 seconds. Now if I cancel this now if I exit now, so let's play our video. You see how it happens black, no matter the kind of color we are having. So you see, 2 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more existing video. Thank you for watching.